Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn to Easy Language. Yes, if you think too easy, then whatever you want to learn, you can learn easily and quickly. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the common problem which face every English learner, that is how to think in English. So I'm going to sharing with you how have I been overcome this problem, and I give you the most 5 important topics which I follow every day, and trust me guys, it's really improving my English level skill. So if you want to improve your English level skill, then please watch this video till end. So any further delay, let's get into the video. Tip number 1 is to surrounding myself in English as much as possible. Watch English language. I know it's the biggest problem for us as an employee because we don't have to proper time for us, and especially women who are manage the both side, family and workplace. But if we spend 15 to 20 minutes on regular in English, our thinking in English can improve. And more expose yourself, the easier it will be to start thinking in English. Tip number 2 is to think in English during everyday activities. Every day we do many kind of work, especially women to do many type of household work from morning till end. So whatever you doing your daily routine, just think about English. For example, when I woke up in the morning, firstly I make the bed and sweep the floor, washing dishes, cooking a food, as like that. So whatever you do, just think about English. If you start small sentences first, then you can make big sentences on your own. So tip number 3 is to believe in yourself. It's the most important to believe in ourselves, because we know English skills is not a subject. It's a language, as like our mother tongue. It will not over in a week, in a month, and even a year. It should not be our destination. It should be our journey. Just have to enjoy our journey in our life. I started my journey since 2020, and to be honest, I was never thought I will be able to speak in English, because I thought I'm village girl, I had not good environment, and I had not good friend to where I can practice. Then I watch more and more motivational videos. Then I thought they can do, why can't I? So you have to believe in yourself first. It will create positive energy yourself by thinking this. Tip number 4 is to speak and read out loud. It is most important for you to practice speak and read out loud. For example, whenever we are reading aloud, to improve our comprehension and active listening skill, and build vocab also. And it also reduces our stress and make us happy. It can improve our working memory also. So what I used to do my free times, firstly I lock the door and read loudly at least 10 to 15 minutes, because I don't want the inner voice to come out and outer voice to disturb my reading. And we know that there are so many platforms for speaking practice available in online, and where we can practice with friends. Number 5 is to learn from images. Images are an effective tool to learning. It's easily understandable in any languages. While learning alphabets in our childhood, we got help through the images. We can easily identify word and meaning, right? If someone says something, it will not remember these things longer, but you saw the picture in movies, that dialogues, that incident will be memories, or keep this memory for longer. Last more thing, you need to consistent. Consistency is a key to whatever you achieve your goal. That's all about it in this video today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye, take care.